Hello, I'm Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. I've been buying and restoring old classic fedoras and trilbys for quite a while now, and I've been building up my own collection. More recently, I've started to sell a few because the collection got a bit big, and some of you have probably bought them on eBay or wherever they've been available. This has created interest along with the videos that I've done on YouTube, which have been great fun to do. And people have asked me, am I going to actually make and sell some hats? So yes, in essence, yeah, I've been out, I've researched equipment, I've bought equipment, and I've actually set up my own brand now. That brand is PJ Murphy and Sons. And I actually like creating hats that have got a sort of modern twist on the 1930s and 40s feel, a bit like this one that I've got on now. And what makes it that is the high crown at the front and the wide brim. So it's a fedora, if you like, with an accentuated front. As part of what PJ Murphy and Sons will be doing, we're going to be offering ready-to-wear hats, made-to-measure bespoke hats, and restoring classic hats of distinction, something I've been doing for quite a while now, and also repairing hats. All of us have got a favourite, probably seen a bit better days, and could do with a good reblocking or steaming repair. With that in mind, I'm going to take you through some of our new hats, and these will be available on our website shortly, but also in my Passion for Hats eBay shop. So Passion for Hats videos will still be going, and I'll be doing the restoration of hats as well as bringing to you some of the new hats that I'm making, so you can perhaps get some good ideas about what you might want, or indeed buy one of the ones that I've created. Let's start introducing you to some of these new hats. I have a very straightforward and simple fedora here. It's got a nice center crease for those purists, and the two dimples. It's 100% fur felt from Failsworth. I'm not sure the weight on it actually. It's 150 grams, that's it. And it's a navy blue, pounced. As I say, I pounce mine for usually about half an hour to an hour, depending upon how soft they are. And this one's come up really quite soft. Nice classic line in terms of the brim, and it can be snapped up or down. I must admit I prefer them down, but each to their own. The inside, one of our liners, and also the logo on the inside here on the leather. Size wise, this one is between 7 1/4 and 7 3/4. So what's that? Let me just check. I think that's about just over a 60. Yeah, it's about a 60. So that's my size. So let's try that on for you. It's got no brim trim on this one. It's just kept as a straightforward classic fedora. So not so high up in the front here, which the center crease on me, it just about touches the top of my head, and it just feels very comfortable. It's just a nice everyday hat, you know. It fits really well. It's not going to fall off my head. And let's have a look at the actual front. Here is about 10.5 centimeters. The back is a little bit higher actually, about 11 centimeters, and the brim is 7 centimeters. So if you like a blue coloured fedora with a nice, I guess it's a royal blue actually, with a nice bow on the side, size 60, this could be for you.
If you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.